Here's how to separate first name, middle name, and last name in Excel. Now, look at this example. We have a full name in one cell where each part is separated by a space, and we will use that space as a delimiter to split the text into different columns. First, select the column that contains the full names. Then go to the Data tab on the top menu and click on Text to Columns. A wizard will open, so choose Delimited and click Next. Now select Space as the delimiter because our names are separated by spaces. You can also see a preview of how the data will be split into separate columns. Click Next again, and then choose the destination where you want the split data to appear, or leave it as default if you want it next to the original column. Now click Finish. Since the words are separated by spaces, Excel will automatically split them into different columns based on that. If the data was separated by a comma instead, then we would simply choose comma as the delimiter instead of space. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.